Welcome back to Benno Empire, where we unlock the secrets to digital success. Today, we're diving into how you can turn your email list into a money-making machine. So, let's get started. Whether you're a blogger or entrepreneur or run an online store, your email list is one of your most valuable assets. But the real question is, how do you make money from it? Stick around as we break down the top strategies to monetize your email list effectively. First things first, understand your audience. The key to effective email marketing is sending the right message to the right people. Use segmentation to categorize your subscribers based on their interests, purchase history, and engagement levels. This personalized approach not only increases open rates, but also boosts your sales potential. Next up is affiliate marketing. By promoting products or services relevant to your audience, you can earn commissions on every sale made through your referral links. The trick? Only recommend products you believe in, maintaining your audience's trust and ensuring higher conversion rates. If you have your own products or services, your email list is your gold mine. From launching new products to offering exclusive discounts, your emails can drive significant sales. Remember, the key is to provide value first, solve a problem or fulfill a need, making your offer irresistible. Sponsored content is another fantastic way to monetize. Partner with brands that align with your audience's interests to include their content in your newsletters. Whether it's a dedicated email or a section within your regular content, ensure it's clearly labeled and relevant. Lastly, consider offering paid email courses or workshops. This is especially powerful if you're an expert in a niche area. By providing exclusive high-quality content over a series of emails, you can add significant value to your subscribers while generating income. There you have it, 5 proven strategies to make money with your email list. Remember, the success of these strategies depends on the value you provide to your subscribers. So, focus on building relationships and offering real solutions. You've discovered the power of monetizing your email list with us today. But if you're looking to dive even deeper and unlock the full potential of your email marketing efforts, I've got something special for you. Introducing our comprehensive course, How to Make $100 per Day with Your Email List. This course isn't just about strategies, it's about transforming your approach to email marketing, ensuring you can achieve and surpass your income goals. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Click the link in the description below to find out more about the course and how it can change the game for you. So take action today to secure your spot. Loved what you learned today? Hit that like button, subscribe for more powerful insights, and ring the bell to never miss out on strategies that can propel you forward. Share this video with friends who could benefit, and let's achieve success together. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the inside.